Kenny Atkinson revealed start all 82 games for the Cavs. Last season, Cleveland Cavaliers center Jarrett Allen was an Iron Man. Allen started all 82 regular season games for the Cavaliers, helping the team win 64 games and secure the number 1 seed in the Eastern Conference. But don't expect Allen to play all 82 games this year, as the Cavs are changing their approach to focus on success in the NBA playoffs. Allen has never missed more than 30 games in his 8 seasons in the NBA. The 27-year-old center has been a model of consistency, and Cavs fans should expect that to continue under this new rest plan. Cavs president of basketball operations Koby Altman made giving Allen some time off feasible this offseason. While Evan Mobley is beyond capable of managing the front court alone, Altman acquired Larry Nance Jr. and Thomas Bryant this offseason. Nance and Bryant will give the Cavaliers better minutes than what Tristan Thompson was able to give the team last year. Both players also give Atkinson some flexibility with his lineups to construct the most dangerous team imaginable come springtime. Earlier this week, newly acquired point guard Lonzo Ball revealed that he will not participate in back-to-back games with the Cavs this season. Ball's health has been one of the big questions throughout his career. It's apparent that the Cavaliers are focused on having their team healthiest and at their peak during the NBA playoffs this season.